G'day, my name's Gary Dawkins, the owner of RiverRidge Retreat, Nature's Paradise, along with my wife Adele. Look, 2 years ago we actually fell in love with the venue and got married here, and 2 years on we were very lucky enough to become the owners of this fantastic venue. RiverRidge Retreat is a great venue for top quality weddings, conferences, health and fitness retreats, sports retreats, and many a music festival and other types of festivals also.
Good morning, this is here at RiverRidge Retreat in the heart of the Catlins. It's the end of our camp. It's been extremely relaxing and enjoyable. We've done some claybird shooting, we went out night shooting. It is a fantastic place. We can recommend it wholeheartedly to anyone that wants to come here. Please.
Great time at RiverRidge Retreat. It's been great for our team building and great place for us to get together as a team and put our plans in place for our season. So, awesome time.
It's a great place to bring your team or even your work colleagues. We've just had a great time here. The boys have thoroughly enjoyed it. The claybird shooting was especially awesome.
Nature's Paradise. Myself, Adele and Gary fell in love with this place when we got married here 2 years ago. Now this is inside one of our big family units. Can sleep up to 10 people in these units. For queen bed. All with minibar, Wi-Fi, LCD TVs. Got plenty of games and big water slide etc. for kids. This is the Catlins River that runs through RiverRidge Retreat. Magic.